Hi beautiful people, I am Leah if you're new to my channel, and today I will be doing a very intense look. I did use enhancer drops underneath my foundation as a primer, and I also did a very colorful eye. So if you like what you see and want to know how I did it, continue watching. Okay, so I am excited. I wonder how this is going to turn out. I am using the Cover FX Moonlight Enhancer Drops.
Oh hell no! Are you kidding me? That works too.
Oh my god, but like for real? What is this? Is amazing. This is amazing. I feel like a freaking goddess. I feel so powerful right now. I just want to like walk outside with my shiny face. I'm like glowing. Alright, so even though I look fabulous, we are going to move on and we're going to go in with the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation. This is in Ivory Medium. No, we are just going to put this. I really can't tell how much I need of this because I'm a shining star. So I actually do love how this turned out on my face. It is very dewy and fresh looking. I chose the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation because on my skin it is quite dry, but mixed with the enhancer drops underneath, I feel like it added the perfect in between where it was dewy and fresh like I said earlier. So tip, if you do decide to do this with enhancer drops underneath your foundation, I would choose a more dry foundation, because once you put the dry foundation on top of the enhancer drops, it adds just a perfect dewy finish look. Whereas if you were to do a oily foundation mixed with enhancer drops, that's just way too shiny and you're just gonna look really greasy. So try to stick with the drier foundation, because the dry foundation mixed with enhancer drops is just a perfect combination together. I got you, fam. Alright, so next I'm just gonna go in with my ANASTASIA foundation stick. Just to lighten up, I'm going to use this as a concealer. Okay, so now I'm just going to set my face with my RCMA No Color Powder. Alright, so I was going to do cream contour, but then I was like, I don't want to cake my face too much with cream and just way down my face, so I just decided just to set my face there and then I'll just do a powder contour. So I'm just gonna take my RIMMEL London Sun Shimmer Bronzer. So I'm loving how this is turning out. It's making me look very bronze and like sun-kissed, even though it's raining outside. I'm looking like I just came off the beach, out of the water. I'm a freaking mermaid. So next I'm just gonna go in with my Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is in the shade 3. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Natural Love palette. So then I'm just gonna go in with Heaven. I'm actually just gonna take this on my finger. next I'm gonna go in with Honeymoon. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with this palette here. It's just a whole bunch of colors. I honestly have no idea who it's by, where it's from. I think I got it from the drugstore like 20 years ago. Who knows? I'm just gonna go in with this purple shade. Go in with this Maybelline Perfect Pastels little eyeshadow palette thingy-mabobber, and I'm just gonna take this light pale blue. I'm gonna go in with my Beauty with an Edge Polyester Bride. Okay, so since we're being super extra, I am going to go in with this Maybelline Gold Lasting Drama Light Liner and just take it on my inner eye. Okay, so next for blush, I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay Afterglow in Video. Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. So then in the center of my lips, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Melted Matte. This is in Holy Check. So you can obviously leave it matte. I'm just gonna go in with my Tarte Lip Insurgents in Visionary and just put that on top. Alright, so this is the final product. What does everyone think? I do love how it turned out. It's very dewy, fresh, but golden and elegant and stunning. I do recommend everyone try it. Let me know in the comments below what you thought and also what you want to see next time. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and also the subscribe button. And until next time, goodbye my lovelies.